Hey fans, welcome back! In this video, we showcase the must-have gear that can make your outdoor adventures safer and more enjoyable. From multi-tools and portable water filters to emergency shelters and fire starters, these gadgets are designed to help you tackle any challenge nature throws your way. Whether you're a seasoned camper or just starting out, having the right tools can make a world of difference. Stay prepared, stay safe, and make the most of your time a great outdoors with these incredible survival gadgets. Each year, snake bites affect an estimated 5.8 million people worldwide. In 2019, WHO experts announced a new strategy to reduce deaths and disabilities caused by snake bites, and private companies have also joined the effort. One innovative solution is these Gators, created in Australia. They measure 39 centimeters in height and are made from highly durable polyurethane material. They fit snugly and are easy to adjust thanks to a 4-point fastening system with wire elements. Cleaning them is as simple as wiping with a damp cloth and detergents. During tests, they withstood bites from a variety of Australian snakes, including the tiger snake, one of the most dangerous land snakes. You can get these Gators for $150. Get ready for adventure with the EST Camp axe and folding shovel, the ultimate multi-tool for off-roading, camping, survivalists, and emergencies. This heavy-duty, 20-in-1 powerhouse is made from durable aluminum with a sleek black finish. It folds up compactly for easy storage in your car or truck, but unfolds into a full-size shovel perfect for digging, clearing brush, or building a fire pit. Plus, it includes an axe head for chopping. For just $160, this versatile and durable tool is a must-have for your next camping adventure. Sometimes, a regular pocket knife just won't cut it. That's where the One Tracker knife comes in. This serious piece of gear is built for tackling tough jobs in the wilderness. With a full tang blade made from high carbon steel, it's strong, durable, and holds a sharp edge for a long time. The 6-inch blade is perfect for chopping wood, clearing brush, or dressing game. Priced at $75, this versatile and reliable tool will quickly become your go-to choice for all your outdoor adventures. Ever heard of a via ferrata? It's a climbing route equipped with ropes, anchors, and steps, making it quicker and easier to navigate than bare rock. Perfect for climbers still honing their skills. Check out this kit designed specifically for conquering via ferrata. Priced at $336, the seller claims it's the most innovative and safe kit around. Weighing less than a kilogram, it's suitable for temperatures as low as -35 degrees Celsius. Check out the Campndoor pocket chainsaw. Even Bear Grylls couldn't break this saw. He attached it to a tree on a cliff slope, hung on, and the saw held strong. It's a durable tool that's compact enough to fit in a pouch on your belt, weighing just 226 grams. For a saw like this, $30 is a great deal. Need a shelter in less than a minute? No problem. Coal Cracker Bushcraft has you covered with this tent. It's equipped with built-in fasteners and loops, and you can even use shoelaces as guidelines for setting it up. Weighing just 21 grams, it spans 218 by 165 centimeters when unfolded. Ideal for survivalists, campers, and ATV owners alike. Grab one for $75 and be prepared wherever you go. When camping, it's crucial to be prepared for unexpected visits from large animals like wolves or bears. That's where this innovative alarm system comes in. The idea is simple. Tripwires combined with surprises like flashbangs, flares, or pepper spray. This versatile system is handy not just for camping but for other uses too. You can buy a ready-to-use kit or create your own by purchasing the components separately. The manufacturer has even collaborated with law enforcement agencies. Best of all, the price is quite affordable at just $100. The sellers of this compact device claim it's the ultimate all-in-one fire starter tool. This patented model features a ferrocerium rod, a steel striker, wax-infused hemp rope, and an aluminum housing. Even if it's been in the rain all night, it'll still ignite a fire. You can use it around 1,000 times, as the rope burns continuously for up to 3 hours. The device comes in two sizes, 10 and 15 centimeters, priced at $20 and $25 respectively. You can also purchase replacement rope separately for $10 per 91 centimeters. Ever struggled to find firewood or set up your tent in the dark at a campsite? Or needed to check something far off in the distance? Then you need to check out the NEBO Luxtreme flashlight. This isn't your average flashlight. It's a rechargeable spotlight that beams up to half a mile away, like shining a light across a football field. Made with tough aircraft-grade aluminum, it can take a beating and is waterproof, so you don't have to worry about rain or mist. And at just $95, it's a must-have for any camper looking for a reliable and powerful light source. Last year, the US Coast Guard rescued a tourist who had fallen overboard from a cruise ship, covering a search area of about 320 kilometers. The watchful crew of a dry cargo ship and a helicopter equipped with a thermal imager played vital roles in the rescue. This story highlights the importance of carrying compact signaling devices on any adventure, even seemingly harmless ones. This compact signal flare, for example, can be seen from a distance of 8 kilometers during the day and 16 kilometers at night. It rises to 46 meters, equivalent to about 15 stories. Its pen-like design makes it versatile and suitable for kayakers, skiers, and climbers. The standard kit includes a case, 9 cartridges, and a firing mechanism, all for just $60. Take a look at this camping kitchen set from Weyland. What makes it stand out? It's all made from titanium. The kit includes a 750 ml flask and 2 versatile containers, one 750 ml and one 400 ml. The entire set weighs only 158 grams and comes complete with lids and hooks for extra convenience. All this for just $160. This wind generator is quite compact. When folded, you can easily attach it to a backpack. Once unfolded, it generates 5 watts of power at a wind speed of approximately 18 kmph. It includes a built-in USB port for charging your gadgets. Moreover, its design is scalable, allowing you to adjust its size for different scenarios.